Pterodactyl here, and I just want to address the video we made a week prior, the one where I show you how to add a low fuel light to just about anything. Well, after reading the comments and going back and doing some of my own testing on it, I determined that it could potentially be unsafe if you did that modification. So for the 70,000 plus grass rats out there that saw that video, I would advise that you not do that modification. If you do, you're doing it at your own risk, because I'm warning you, it has the potential to be unsafe. I've taken it off my personal mower that I showed you in the video, and I'm also taking it off the held hauler. I just want you grass rats out there to be safe. I don't want anybody to be harmed. So, do not do that modification. Okay? It's okay to do if you're using it for, say, non-flammable liquids like water or some other liquid that's non-flammable. It's okay to do it for that. But for this application, it could potentially be unsafe. And on a lighter note, if you want to see that skit part with little Johnny, go over to the skits channel and check that out. But in the meantime, be safe out there, grass rats, and there's your dinner.